Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel Tech in Resham. Today, we're going to talk about CasaOS. It's a platform that makes installing, running, and managing Docker containers a breeze. Simply click an icon, and CasaOS will install it for you. For advanced users, you can still install Docker manually if you prefer. For the first time, you'll need to create an account. Give it a username, password, and confirm your password, and then press Create. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of storage drives. We'll ignore them for now and focus on apps, also known as Docker images and containers. Click on the Files app to see the files and folders on your device. Now, let's head over to CasaOS' official website. They've been promoting CasaOS as a personal cloud operating system with a wide range of amazing set-hosted apps. You can connect all your data from various apps easily. With CasaOS, you can build your own home data center. You can either host it on CasaOS' official hardware, such as the Zima Cube, Zima Board, or Zima Blade. There are many apps available, and we'll start with installing Home Assistant. Just click on it, and wait a while until it's successfully installed. Now, let's demonstrate installing an app, Docker image, manually. You can visit the Docker Hub website to find or download your private repository image. Fill out the manually install form, and you'll have Nginx installed. Click on both Home Assistant and Nginx, and you'll be greeted with the Home Assistant page and the Nginx landing page, respectively. Is there another way to centralize all your Docker containers and easily install them, other than CasaOS? Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks a bunch.